Okay, guys, so for STEM yesterday, we did this sorting activity, right? This is a finished copy, finished version of this. Um, and we talked about, I'm going to use Tobias's here, if he doesn't mind. Um, we have the, all these 5 different forms of energy: light energy, mechanical energy, electrical energy, sound energy, and thermal energy. We had a lot of confusion on this. And I think a lot of it was because some things that are light energy can also be thermal energy. And so some of these could be in either or. But the mechanical energy and electrical energy seem to be very confusing for a lot of people. So Mr. Moreland said he's going to go over this with you guys. So just to understand why things are where they are supposed to be. Okay. And then when you are done with that and talk a little bit more about that, we're going to move on to today's lesson about how does energy change. Okay, and so on Seesaw, you're going to have this activity where you are given a, I want that to come up further, but there it goes. You're given an object like an iron, okay? And I'm telling you, I've already put in here, this is an electrical energy that when it gets plugged in, okay, because it's electrical, it gets turned in and the energy turns into something else, okay? And so your choices are those from yesterday: the light energy, mechanical, electrical, sound, or thermal, okay? And you're going to have to put those in here. Um, Type those in there best you can. Okay. And there's only 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's only 6 pictures. So we want to talk about if it starts off as mechanical, then once it starts, what does that energy get turned into? Okay. All right. So Mr. Marlin is going to have a little bit more information for you guys about this. Feel free to talk to him, ask him questions. He was the middle school science teacher, so he would be the one to ask if you have questions today. All right, don't forget to click this green circle with the white check mark to submit it. Good luck.